family nuts, running your stash house, granny up, make you strip butt naked. Trying to tuck the necklace. I'm young, hungry, armed, and reckless. On the streets with a death wish. So how when you see me, I'm on the guest list. Show no mercy, BK. Thirsty. We bang hollows. You misrepresenting the game. When you're lame and your chain hollow. Hit him, flash it. Yak your chain. Smash the lens in your specs. Listen, X, little fame, right? With that brown slimmer mentality. Hey, yo, I'm trying out of drop one top city with a whole empire. Full of blue tips and a handful of fire. Easy dirt. His bird got put it work until it hurt. Step easy out the truck, punk. Falling on flicking. I went back to the springs and this thing starts tweaking. Boom, black. What's wrong with you? Yeah, that boom. Yeah, that boom. It's the perfect timing. You see the man shining. You ain't get no more damn diamonds. Yeah, that boom. Yeah, that boom. Get him. Yeah, boom, that boom.
Ebanadi FM, Ifuna Towem.
Ladies and gentlemen, tighten your seatbelt as we take you on this smooth ride.
Let's go!
It's the morning drive on 103.5 Bonadi FM, keeping your morning engaging as we take you through the smoothest ride on radio.
From 7 a.m. to 9:30 a.m.
Getting your morning inspired, be informed, let's interact only on the morning drive.
Make it a date with Martin Efanshuku, aka Meta.
And Christy, aka Emenari, aka Classy.
From Monday to Friday, from 7 a.m. to 9:30 a.m.
on the morning drive.
103.5 Echo DSN.
Players, put your pinky finger to the moon. Girls, what you trying to do? 24 karat magic in the air. This looks so clear. Look out! Pop, it's showtime. Guess who's back again? Let them know. I bet they know as soon as we walk in. I'm wearing Cuban links, inside a mix. Inglewood's finest shoes. Don't look too hard, might hurt yourself. Know to get the color red, the blue. I'm a dangerous man with some money in my pocket. Keep up. So many pretty girls around me and they're waking up the rocket. Keep up. Why you mad? Fix your face. Ain't my fault they open to. Keep up. Players only. Come on. Put your finger to the moon. Girls, what y'all trying to do? 24 karat magic in the air. It's so clear. Look out. Second verse for the hustlers. Gangsters. Bad bitches and your ugly old friends. Can I breathe? I cannot breathe. I gotta show them how I can't get it in. First, take your shit. Do your dip. Spend your money like money ain't shit. Ooh. Too fresh. Got to blame it on Jesus. Hashtag blessed. They ain't ready for me. I'm a dangerous man with some money in my pocket. Keep up. So many pretty girls around me and they're waking up the rocket. Keep up. Why you mad? Fix your face. Ain't my fault they open jacking. Keep up. Players only. Come on. Put your finger to the moon. What you trying to do? What you trying to do? 24 carats magic in the air.
magic in there. Yes, it is what it is. The second day of May 2024. We are here, we ain't going nowhere. We are here to have fun, to give glory to the King of Kings and Lord of Lords. We just have to give glory to the King of Kings and Lord of Lords. And the best way to do that is to be happy, enjoy. Amidst the challenges, we overcome. Yotago! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday for you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Yes, someone nwanyị na-ekwu okwu na-enye advice to ụmụ nwanyị wee na-asịfa ha gee ya ntị. A na-asị agwa ya eji gege ntị kedu ịdị ifebe fa ọ sị mfat ka ya gwa ha eziokwu na divorce go 3 times na ya mere ha ya eji wee gee ntị na experiment o mego na divorce ife a ka ya ji wee na-ekwu ife ọ na-ekwu. Or when I say that if you want a man to love you forever and ever and ever, don't talk to him. I said, what do you mean don't talk to him? Or talk to the person. Or say that I mean don't talk to him. Those are like don't talk to him does not mean you should not talk with him. No, two different things. Or say na before they speak. Na how we go plans if in the first place. Yeah, from the beginning to the middle to the end. Na here go something no be already when you if or say man no na hand on a free way of information. All the time. All the time. Not now be who mean don't talk to him. You should apply. Join here his plans for talking. Or for me on a very good day. Money phone I had to go down. Spotting the imperialism before Hoi Beriberisim. Up no more metal. Yes, I had to go down to according to the classic. But if I 191 or say don't talk to him, talk with him. You have to go two different things.
Well, I'm going to go on fashion like I don't million.
Abby? Okay, another thing. Being an experiment of make all your more Marcus at the down. You have to go in case someone in a walking bar who put that data. Now the plan of who put the man on where. Now get million in classic is where. So million. All the go this morning, it is unfolding. We are falling into this particular edition of Bet the Splash, the one at the 103.5 FM. Bearing in mind that the second day of May 2024. We are going to celebrate, so get involved. It is your party right here. Send SMS or WhatsApp messages on 08096661035 and you become part of this celebration. It is celebration galore up in here. Yes, so easy. I get celebrating no total afo. Kind of farm bata. Where bolo somebody bago ike ni so we are yatagane kuna today good day of ndike. We are talking about Dwayne Johnson, American actor and professional wrestler. Onyema as The Rock. Yatago Onyema born celebrated today. Today is his birthday. He was born 2nd May 1972. And now see again. Happy birthday! Yes, all the go cool Saturday. Other easy. Yatago in on a professional wrestling. We make the fedemia. We see nearby Hollywood. Yatago. If I got knows or can't quality, and the man have come a long way. One of the biggest earners in entertainment in the world today. Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Yes, also I get celebrating no total. But another person, you go uru oba, mother in a bumbo from time to time. And Oyane Kwakita for where Bolo David Beckham, you know, English Association football player and model. But now he's even more. He is even, you know, a club executive. One club on Kiaketa, Yota go in US, Messi now, Balia Ball, who say I go to Kita for. So we are celebrating David Beckham, Yotago, for his contribution over time from Man United to Real Madrid. A lot of things only over time. So this morning, he was born 2nd of May, 1975 in Livingstone. So we say again, happy birthday. Yes, get involved. Let's celebrate you. Send SMS or WhatsApp messages on 08096661035. Yes, today is also the birthday of Elia Kemper, you know, American comedy writer and actress born May 2nd, 1980 in Kansas City. And I say again, happy birthday. Yes, all the Gopako said they get involved. Let's celebrate you this morning. Can they find a celebrator around you, or birthday or anniversary? We are here to celebrate with you. Overgodos anniversary, Nyan Cascade at the end of the day. Manuja, when you look at Nobosiak, independence from the matter. Hey, but I celebrated because I don't know to. Yes, today is also the birthday of Princess Charlotte of Cambridge, born May 2nd, 2015 in St. Mary's Hospital. She is a British princess, second child of Prince William, Duke of Cambridge, and Catherine, Duchess of Cambridge. And I say again, happy birthday. Yes, get involved. We need to celebrate you. You have to go with Indie can celebrate Sita. Today is also the birthday of James Dyson, a British investor, industrial designer, and founder of Dyson Company, born May 2nd, 1947. And I say again, happy birthday. Yes, today is also the birthday of Sumi, South Korean singer, born May 2nd, 1992. I say again, happy birthday. Yes, what go is the guitar for I have a tabago Niger. I celebrate and can celebrate this morning.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday for you. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Yes, I said, any advice? Kind of to down. And what advice I never see in a plane. You have to go ahead, kind of, but I go to Niger for guys celebrating can celebrate this morning. As I say, any advice. No one didn't use a device. Some device sitting as the other room. And where some device, you have to go then as the other room. Only when I one senator in Nigeria, toy senator, only if I add the new well, was their toy senator. Based on no Jeleban and Leo Mifagasi, device and using as the other room. Because right now, a lot of women have replaced their man, or you know, a lot of things over with the device. And I want a Yabu device could make something. Somebody should be very careful. And right now, I have to go down and I jacket for I celebrating can celebrated this morning. Go say I go to keep as well. And today, we have a birthday. You have to go a song star. On your week in From day one, go do. Pia bicycle, pia gidie, before pia kanko, you know, a lot of things. You know, be speakers. Omana boss so can speaker on a very good day. So today is the birthday of the gospel artist. I'm as Chidema. She is a Nigerian singer and songwriter born May 2nd, 1991. And I say again, happy birthday. Yes, all the go they get involved. We need to celebrate you too. Today is also the birthday of Sani Keita, Nigerian footballer born May 2nd, 1986 in Kano State. And I say again, happy birthday. Yes, today is also the birthday of a Nigerian philanthropist who goes by the name Rashid Bello, born May 2nd, 1985 in Edo State. I ask again, happy birthday. Yes, all the go they get involved. We need to celebrate you right now. Today is also the birthday of Ladipo Ayodeji Banjo, Nigerian academic. He was born May 2nd, 1934 in Oyo State. And I say again, happy birthday. Yes, all the Gopako is we need to proceed to, you know, begin to spot the imperialism. But we will celebrate one more person before we move further right now. You have to go and Lieutenant Gabon part of the celebration by sending your reactions via SMS or WhatsApp messages on 08096661035. And this morning, right now, I want to go to message Naka Agonabo. You have to go see Ofa Agulozibo when you reach out here. He says, I'm celebrating with all the celebrants, wishing them happy birthday. Welcome in their account and my account on all Ebona and the fans in me. And the bottom for everywhere in Nigeria, the Ozarum and the Ndim Pianarism have turned into Iberiberism in Nigeria. Akoko Otipoju, Dalo Metal and Classic. My brother. Thank you so much for joining us this morning. And the celebration is still ongoing. We are celebrating. Get involved. Let's celebrate you this morning. Celebrate anyone. We is celebrating around you. And right now, I celebrate Chinonso Ono. He is a Nigerian Association football player born May 2nd, 1992. And I say again, happy birthday. It's about to go down right about now. You have to go. Now, bet this splash. Never on the 103.5 FM. I can advise now why young people who know they are on a very good day, most especially made their finger called the Casadi, which one open idea and so I am a when you Bastalo, you know, the book Hip Hop and Igbo Culture by your faithful Martin Fine Quick is the course I go to Nototua and the Haiji Kuyaboku on your Malabo Person or Abbey Fair. Amazon.com, it is right there, so check it out. Amazon.com. Also available at St. Teresa's Catholic Church, Omonia. You look on as St. Michael's, you have to go in Kedina Bata. It is over there too. You come to Abona at the 103.5 FM and pick it up as well. We must, you know, encourage reading culture amongst us. But right now, as we proceed to give you what you need, satisfaction and guaranteed, it's time. Let's get ready to rumble. Akoko oti pokre bonke bigodu na kwansa. Yes, it is so sad that akụkọ nke izi anyị eji wee mabata n'ụtụtụ nke afọ wee bụrụ one na anyị golo ebe a over time na onwe ka isi chọọ igbo ọgụ ị na-ene anya in fact ọ bụgoro na ha ejiri ọgwụtọ na anụ ya bụ ọgụ eji na aka nkịtị eji egbu ụdị ya bụ ọgụ kedu belt gị ka ebe ọ dị ma ị weta rapa rụọ ya ka onye jide n'isi ebe na onye nke ọzọ jide ana afeki ya onye a na-eje saịdị onye nke a na-eje saịdị a bifo ịmara na-eme na ijide ayọn n'aka onye ka ihe eji wee jee wee gbuo ọgụ anyị in the first place. Bụ akụkọ anyị na-akọ maka ya n'ụtụtụ a wee bụrụ nwaanyị egburu bikos na o je ka ụgbọ ọgụ ihe a bụ na Edo steeti ka ọ na-eme ka ọ na-eme ofili na ndị a bụ ndị ọmụ ọfụma nna na nwa wee kụrụ nwaanyị a debe n'ala ọgụ na-aga between a teenage daughter bụ nwa the woman ya na another person na-apịlị ya nyanwa wee gbalụ na-asị ozugbo one man a na-akpọ Mr. Ayo Phillips wee rọchi ya wee jee bute ihe ọ ga-akụ nwa in order ka ọ kụzie nwaanyị nọchie eweluzie mma ma anyanwa ma mma ma axe bụ ihe eji wee kụgbu nwaanyị at the end of the day. So they said she allegedly during the argument Mr. Philip brought out a knife to stab their nephew but was blocked by her mother who got injured in the process. According to her, on seeing the deceased lying unconscious on the ground, Mr. Philip at the end of the day. Police now you have to go ahead. Now, the police spokesperson now the state SP Shady Mobuzo confirmed that Mr. Philip has been arrested. As a ketafo, last. I have one of my when I got on Eagle still.
It's such a sad story. Because of before you go to na Igbo, why you go to here putelo or why? Oji welu weseji wese ya boku. No matter how be honest, to understand the number say which is na often adoro mma. Don't have to cool all the time. Ime udo kama. Here look like na habu
neighbors, yeah.
Yeah, so the guys who are neighbor get question your one negi. Your brother or your sister. Yes, so you could see other sister low nebia. Una nebi no do. I was going to work because I'm about that and one thing. Then I walk on Mayabu Udo Toge I continue. Okay, look at it now. This woman Amuga and the Keta police said they're going to care Meliabo Ife. And the Anakon over 4 children or Jumano. So can they fair or go now? I had before I got in a Tanya in a Jumo water, yeah. If you know water, yeah. So Kaika want to make peace now. Or just no waste life like that. Except for non mother. So I never knew Danya, no matter here near one. And I asked a poor Zoike. The other wrong because you cannot know the
here the Abona Ndibugo Arms, German mother at the end of the day, Gazo, wife, family, Nisi, all the Goku City. I can have a be a Fakakata before my phenomenon on Yotago or General Donate Kriku right now. Abona Yotago before you act, think. Before you act, think. Some people act before they think. That's the thing. So before you act, you think first. They go to show and can't act at all. Anyway, I'll go say ibata no tutu anyị na ga karịa maka ya. Akụkọ ọzọ anyị ji mabata wee bụrụ akụkọ gbasara ụmụ akwụkwọ na-eje ihe dị elefa n'isi onwefa on a very good day yotago so ka ya bụ ife na-aga on. Yes, it is what it is. So, akụkọ nke a wee bụrụ ụmụ akwụkwọ na-eje ife dị elefa on a very good day ha ncha niile nọ na moto ka ha na-aga ya bụ ije ofu nwa n'ime ha nwaanyị yọtago wee nabụọla ọmara mgbọla ji buru ya nya ka o si dresị ya nnọọ masị mma niile ọma mana ka ọ naba ya bụla na moto ọ kpọ ebizi ọnụ oyi wee na-alabọ ya bụla so ụmụ akwụkwọ ibie instead of ịkpọtasịa madam nọdụ ọfụma yọtago ihe o melụ bụ iji nwayọ welu kamera selu iri agodu postuo na social media ka onye ọbụla na-afụ ka e postuzi ya bụ ife. It was so embarrassing. Before elu ebe a na-eje nwata akwụkwọ trend bago everywhere yọtago the thing wutere ya rinne wepụta na social media wee na complain why ndị a eji wesi foto ebe ọ na-ala ụla bido wele ya postu na social media. Yes, Kankana got on. They post to go the young girl on social media on go viral everywhere. The thing with she expressed her relief that her life didn't end despite her classmates posting an embarrassing photo of her on a public platform. Now, recording myself shamelessly because life didn't end when my classmates took this picture of me napping and posted in the class CG. The thing is that and when some people go happen madam where on na lowest go those people anache na otuaha no otua onye asi no at that time na ga mock nwe forgetting na nyanwa na onwe anwapalo mgbe nyanwa ji ano na that kind of state yotago most especially like mgbe mmadụ na balola na a lot of people will opportunity na yotago na akpali onye na eme some things na draw proper n'isi onwe ha. So one of the things that they are well, the fact that Kepos to Sicilia but at the end of the day, pick one up. So now Kaha post if ever post to na her life will end they are in the first place. But the fact still remains, and she could take legal actions because na mado in allow mother be able necessary photo for what to say. They don't the authority is a photo in allow but the thing, there's only because all it was then before he said no more I don't want say just say no that photo just like that because it is wrong. And then mother na allow and take advantage of one can if ever want to bonkia if a boy as sankia in Asia where no Malay don't wear one allow melody genes on yours. One why because you put and kaka when I can still.
Well, all the because now picture now looking at it, you gotta do why now, but maybe in a hardware shock I saw how if we harmful but I'm over in the sense that now one make it make yabo joke or like area and you're gonna most times say if they take light if they take it serious. So in this case now thank God now what are you now no bro end of life no bro when I come okay you take you sick in family because most times also have on now million can send it and things like that. So I wish that I can keep here like this or bro to extreme no gabani also because now we really like play of another thing altogether. Man all the kapaka most times I not consider others nife or for the open ha consider also gesi we feel more that like we have more gesi na we bani also before I remember we here hame and kaina afuna ina I consider others no matter what. Even though guy feel that now or matter I balupa na obula anywa keka ikesi where
react so that's the thing. Kine somebody born allow all and go with allow and kege. If I come by in allow kege say if you get how would you take that? But anyway, if I not to try why if you don't need any akusa for the right about now. Akụkọ ọzọ anyị ji wee mabata n'ụtụtụ a bụrụ akụkọ ihe na-eme na Anambra steeti because na nke ikpeazụ a ndị moto na complain yotago and ọ gago viral based on the complaints famake gasị based on checkpoints na-adịgasị na Anambra steeti a na-akọwa na some ha na-enwegolu iwe na-ewego na ha sị na a lot of gridlocks na cost na-abịa as a result of multiple checkpoints enwegasị na metropolises and roads across Anambra State, resulting in spending several hours for a journey of minutes. No, I bụ ihe na-ewute papa na complain the thing bit as a ọzọ ịghọtago ọ dịzie ka egwu ahụ agụrụ every junction police dey police dey ọ dị ka ife na-emesị on a very good day no ife kwazị nke ikpeazụ a ebiazie na the matter ifo I said that enwe nke dị na Enamel bus stop dị na Opiweka, nwee nke dị na Mgbuka bus stop, Idemmili bypass, People's Club, all along Onitsha Owerri Road. No ihe ha na-afụ n'isi onwe fanya isi ebe move onwebele for another one. You move again for another one. They are also found at both ends of the River Niger bridgeheads, as well as Army Gate, alongside Onitsha Oka Expressway, among others. And ha na-agosisi ka o si adelefa. The thing with the parade na onye mehadinate mkpu ya. Ha na-ekwuzi okwu ifefa na-afụgasị n'ime mana ọ otu o si delay their movement at the end of the day. Nwanne m nwaanyị kedu ihe nwere ikwu na nke a ka anyị na-agakwa n'iru still?
Well, otu ha si wee na-ekwukwana ihe a na-afụ dị mma because na ekwesịrị ije ịpụ ịga njem ịga ịnọdụ na n'udo and because onye na-aga njem ọ na-akwa ekpeluchie ka ọ gaa n'udo na n'udo so na ọ bịa na-afụgasị ihe ụfọdụ ọ na-eme respect especially go feel that na o kwesịrị ije n'ahụ o kwesịrị ikwupụtakwasị na dekwa ihe a na-afụka malụ otu a ga-esi wee mee ya so na otu ha na-ekwu I hope na a ga-enebali ya anya ndị ọdịnaka kwesịrị ka ha nebali anya ka a mara ihe o ji wee dị otu a wee makwana otu a ga-esi wee dozie ka o wee dị mma so no ya bụ ife dị na ya.
Okay, one of them said na o spend almost 2,000 naira on every trip only from head bridge to toll gate in Ogbunike. Now just easy from head bridge wee gbada toll gate Ogbunike. anyị amazi ka nke a na eziokwu kwa ka ọ na-ekwu mana ihe anyị ma na ihe a na-ekwu about gridlocked dey well like nke head bridge a ị na-enejele anya enwere some days self ndị nnukwu moto na-alawo like 2 days n'ụzọ ebe a before wee bịa clear kwazie gaba mana nke ikpeazụ a based on ihe Governor Soludo mego when it comes to inyegasị parks in some areas and those places etigasị parks wee na control ihe gbasara keke na control ihe gbasara mini buses and all of that ifo na enwego free flow of traffic na ụzọ anyị to an extent. Mana nke ha na complain kita go about this checkpoints. Ịbata n'ụtụtụ a ịgwa anyị faithful when it comes to that. Mụ na gị na FIFA niile around us, so we must talk about it. And if we don't get to talk about it, it only makes us cowards if we don't get to talk about this one. Anyị na-apịa, so what do you have to say about it? Now, actually, oyera a wee na-eme ka ịmalụ na tomorrow night bụ the 3rd of May a ga-enwe a great prayer session na Tabernacle of Praise of Adoration Ministry nke ụmụnya n'ebe a ka ọ ga-adị wee mee onye bido n'anyasị yọtago onye nọ n'isi ya bụ ife wee bụrụ John Oka, Evangelist John Oka. So try as much as possible to be there as well. But we continue to proceed. As we proceed, I proceed. And the next story I went for you this morning. We have to go Webolo Akoko Bastalo independent woman. You have to go independent ladies. Oh, farmer. Beyonce, Monagolo, all single ladies, all my single ladies, all my single hands are now around. You have to go and I go single ladies now around. Mboji General the farmer law. I cannot do the and I go single ladies, all my single ladies. One of them, Mopota, Senike able independent woman, Abuja. What kind of economy is this? Oh, but we're independent. You're talking if we of course I'm an independent woman, I spend my money, I eat, we phone if say on a very good day. But this administration, a check again one better, or say in fact, and was the independent woman. You need somebody to depend on now. Say my family one no why can him way cool.
Well, wanna try normally
Yes.
try quite independent. No matter we father off easy because na onye ọbụla malụ na you to hear Nigeria si wee dịkịta na otu ihe si wee dị na onye ọbụla na-agbaneji onwe ya otu ga-esi wee dị ma ọ ya Chineke ka ọ dị mma so na nke ọ na-asị na onye oge dị karịa ọ na-achọ ka ọ dị depend ya ọ na onye ọbụla na
obidogodo wee na-akọwa onye na-ekwukwa n'ife a makinwa toke makinwa bụ media personality onye a na-ekwu ife a yọtago ka o kwụsị gosisi efe niile ọ na-agabiga kịta the first person o jidegoro aka bụ die n'ala nke nya nye ọsịa my friend kedu ebe ị nọ come back here what is happening now n'ihe okwu ọ sị yo landed in Lagos to all this madness petrol scarcity electricity tariff hike diesel price is not smiling. What is all this? Independent woman don't tire me, I beg. Or I can have been or I'm up by pussy on a very good day. Anyway, Odogoko said there. But this morning, it's like I don't know about when you got independent ladies, no toto aguri. Yatago Akoko Otipoju. Yes, Igelote na Goku Bastal OPay, Yotago and other platforms. So CBN made mention of when you kuna hancha, possible do Igweko customers for now. Okay, we make investigation based on some things and I got on. Yotago Apple OPay Alpha, Apple, Money Point Alpha, Apple Alpha Kanko, Apple Kuda, Apple Pampay, all of them. But now Hamabu OPay, a Nigerian fintech company. Now when it comes to banking and all of that, a lot of things and I got on. Now OPay announced that in a statement with other fintech companies taking the same step according to the new directives from the Central Bank of Nigeria. The firm's management in the statement also offered clarity on CBN's new directive and reassured its customers of the safety of their funds. Now funding Kekaji something to do with them, legacy business with them at the end of the day. Now they said that the CBN directed OPay and 3 other fintech firms, Pampay, Kuda Bank and the Money Point to suspend onboarding new customers at the end of the day. Mona reacting, they said it remains committed to working closely with the CBN and other regulatory bodies to fight money laundering, fraud, terrorism financing, and other illegal financial activities. So, fana haka no polo in case obo na ngena faka na aloka yotago pa ale de suko kusizi fa obo adikaze ka chona baze fa chona makande Canada load umu app fa gasi and all of that. Okwa mel haji ne kuya ne ku wannan ma ke hi mu ku na kaka na gani still.
Okay, I am more the multinational web when you have more information. Now I shop and they had a quite that now more which had here. Now, because now I need cool more issue and well, robbery I can get you a panic way now, all maybe now business hand so that way. So now more also has to be put in more, and I hope that I can follow you up more any issue there about a resolve amicably for between how and the government and the Hana business. So that what he about. Bob and Hannah in touch with the government and they resolve the whole thing. So we're not gonna relax. I know we're here I got on Nigeria and now you're gonna ask what okay if at least which had in here.
Anyway, Odogoko said, Bataze, Itila on Naboku, even on some of the things I got pointed out, you have to go CBN pay attention to when it comes to the investigation. So I got on. Can I point to clear out Ketapo? While I say, Yapaneba, I get the side, I pull off, and one no menu could be like an ML transfer, who sees near Kukaketafo, CBN and Malo. Odogoko said, when you get involved, you tell us what to think of all of this. Right now, you have to go classic. You got call 1 or 2. When I got Panero Stay classic.
Okay, so after whatever we're below the Gallo outing. So according to the story, this young lady had their ball when I call EMA. So Hannah called us now for these guys now go okay. How we do however club. So okay, losing that club now. However, Afro has big boys. 4 of them. So ha wee na-afụ ha as ndị nnukwu mmadụ now get take care of things. So ha ga nọ club bie mụọ enjoy chọ onwe ha. Ihe ọzọ ha fụziri na n'ụmụ nwoke ahụ ha na-anọ mee ka gasị n'okwu na eselụfa ha wee disappear afrozi ha mụrụ that na akwụrụ ụgwọ because na ego ha spending ego ha litere n'ihe niile ha mere ebe ahụ na around 2 millions. So I went to the two girls wee sị ha na unu ga-akwụzi ụgwọ ife niile eriri ebe a na ihe niile aṅụrụ ebe a ha wee na-asị no ọ bụrụ ha na all these things eriri ebe a no those boys bụ ihe ha ọ bụrụ afrozi the boys ọnụwa ka ama ọnụwa ga-akwụ ụgwọ ihe niile ha wee enueluru ha ka we are so surprised how come then ha wee chọwa way ha ga-esi wee gbaa ọsọ so ejidesie ha ike while ha na-akọwazi ihe mere ebe ahụ na-agọzikwa ha n'aka ha ma ha wee chọọ wee wee lachapụ ọsọ wee na-agba wee gbanaga wee na-akọ ihe mee ha otu ha si wee gaa.
O wee ka obi post na social media ọ kala obi post don't worry ndị a ga-achọta ya fire see from social media post a wee chọbịa on a very good day aka asasị efele uche fadia na esagide efele saa efele like 2 years agwa gị na ihe satago so far bụ 200,000 it's not enough na-asa efere na-aga on a very good day. I melụ na mmadụ uche onye ga-adị ya na ọ bụrụ just na efu mmadụ all of a sudden move enwere some people yi slippers yọtago mana ego fa paaki o yi slippers yi short nekara akwụgharị ị na-asị na egoro onye a ọ dị mata all the time this man na-adị tata na ego paaki iji nye ifu ego paaki mana efu onye nke na-eme ka ndị nwụọ o spend ya 10,000 ọ na-alachasọ mkpu bịa kendị na ya ka wee malụ n'ọnụ ya iwe ka obi tụrụ ya muvuo o wee mebe na mata ịmagono ụmụ mata pam yọtago you drink and win ọ bụrụ na ịwọchị dị movie a na-akpọ logo pam back in the days ị na-afụ ka o si adị na o nwere ihe a na-alụgasị alụ n'isi onwe fa mmadụ na-abụ na-enwe ike ịnọkọta yọtago na-aba mba ka ha akụgbusi onwe fa ị malụ na plans otu fa ya esi wee tawa ka mmadụ ọ nalie tawa ọ dịgo ka o si adị ịbata n'ụtụtụ a egwa ifilo n'ihe niile a ka o si ahụ fold right back taa fo ngeji 1 sachielu gị aka iwe nwee ike batakwa ifilo n'ihe niile a yes ọ nwere nwanne anyị nwaanyị na-ekene Chineke maka nwa Chineke ji gọziri ya wit 3 years ago ya nwa dị 3 years ọ sị na ya nọ na-ayọ Chukwu for nwa yọtago but Chineke wee wetali ya strength na nwa a bụ source of strength na mgbe ọbụla yọtago ya akpalụ nọ mgbe a ka anya ji enweta ike the more yọtago actress Lizzie Anjorin ọ na-celebrate nwa nwaanyị yọtago daughter who goes by the name Florida who has turned 3, describing her as a source of strength and just a child but a precious bundle of blessings. Ọ na-ekpesi ekpere ike n'isi nwa ya and anyị nwa so na-ekpekwa ekpere n'isi nwa ya na nwa ya ga-yọtago ga-abụ ihe niile a ọ na-elo na nwa ya ga-abụ n'isi onwe ya n'aha Jizọs amen. Nọ na ihe wutezi mbụ na ọba dị nwa Florida mana ọ dịkwa mma dị Florida dịkwa mma because na Florida dị na US ọka abụ Ijabode no Malife this matter anyway but yeah imagine maybe sit church somewhere attached to Ijabode like to Florida Ijabode Anjorin I don't know anyway but as this morning why you feel on here now it just me suggested don't mean any disrespect still no observe the fact is just about Florida uta can we kiss packet among buy New York instead of Ibioko hey the fact akụkọ otikpoju ịbata n'ụtụtụ a ịgwa ife ilo n'ihe niile yes loten ị ga-akpọ nwa nkịta afọ becha anyị na apụ ka anyị na gị karịa from you right about now hello hey Ndawoski negodi ya jide m nọ hey professor himself na from the enwe joy na the Department of Finishing Touches this morning yeah, overall value professor. Yes. Okay.
Well, na na-ekwu pụrụ Chineke okwu, adị m na-ekwu okwu steeti, so wherever ya.
Yes.
Achọrọ m iti ọnụ gbasara checkpoint ya juru na dịka our South East.
Okay.
Enwego mgbe m kwuru maka ya na the other side. Ihe ndị drivers na-alabenti bụ eziokwu.
Okay.
Enwere ụbọchị a n'ime last week m na-aga baa etu a ka m spendiri ego from one post to another. So that's in Ajoka.
Okay.
Are we in the battlefield? Iru na mgbada ugwu Hausa ọ dịghị otu a ọ dị na South East ya ebe ahụ. Gọvanọ of Anambra State lebara this issue anya. Particularly to get you okay. Everything about me like that day na that you okay. Mwana gini patajiri ha hapụzie ya ha na ego. And you're going to, if when you meet the other one now, go and understand. You're going to go. What give now? How much is now? And the even if you get another group, now we go group before. Here we are in this our South East. We see both bodo yeah we zero next where we're man. So I follow reading. India get you were not also. Severe hold up what we stand best press motor line up. Then again when the fast movement. And when you will go to motor national everyone at the other care or no hold up. Or can you so I may believe on a government in an old
Dalo, Professor, thank you so much for joining us this morning. Dalo, oh, yes, let's hear from you. Hello?
Hello, sir. Yes. Good morning.
Good morning, my sister.
I am
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir. So, this lady, those boys who were
my sister just about something the only ndị dịkwa busy na-eme ka ezigbo ego n'isi onwe fa mana choice spend the ga as in fact kedu mugu ga eme fa na which mugu one or mugu the take the mugu okay yes yes, Dalo. Thank you so much for joining us this morning. Dalo, let's hear from you. Dalo, thank you so much, sir. No.
Our club leaders had a handicap by federal. Checkpoint. Operation Sweep, Operation Point. ebumigo most of you Igbo youth. So after Igbo race or that is at a Kankat West or Kankat area. And those leaders like to spend their life group of police no. So we are about taking point. My time around na taking point, then we are na rush to do long. The man na taking point that particular man on the way. That's taking point. I'm a taking point. That's a man. If we are rush to do long.
Can side ever check points and key put it.
So what he had the memory, if we go back to the way I have 200, half of the high break and long, one way. The what is behind the memory because I did it. Later, I want to 25 now. There,
Thank you so much. Dallas. Let's hear from you. Can you hear me? Niheni na inu kedu kwa yaba akwa makakwani. Can you hear me? Niheni na inu kedu kwa yaba akwa makakwani. Yoga to biane bo. Yeah, we thank the Lord. Yes. Amen. Yes, sir. Agonabo. I take kumwa. I won't go believe it. Yes, all your. Yes. Ịchọkwa n'okwu n'ụtụtụ a, fabịakwa n'ọkwa m ya. Hello. No. Oh, Obube, I just saw other.